Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to do the split S. We'll break down an FPV flight step by step, and I'll share some tips and tricks that helped me learn it faster. So what is a split S? It's essentially a half roll followed by a half loop. That means before trying it, make sure you've got some muscle memory for rolls and flips. You start practicing at a high altitude so you have plenty of time to recover and fly over something soft like grass, not concrete. Here's how the trick works. Fly straight with momentum towards an object that has a gap above and below it. As you near the top, let the throttle and do a half roll. Once you're inverted and over the top, pitch back gently and throttle up to catch the drone, leveling out and diving under the object. It's a super fun and stylish way to change both direction and altitude in one smooth motion. Try it out.